Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 6 and we will expand our result presentation, and our topics presentation is Employee Relations Strategy to Improve Employee Performance and Loyalty at PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero. So before we start it, let me introduce myself. My name is Salsabila.
My name is Melanie Pratiwi.
My name is Febi Nur Fadila. And my name is Andi Putri Cynthia.
So let's restart the presentation. Introduction. There is 2 points in this slide. First point is, why did our group choose this case? The topic about the employee relation is very interesting and important to discuss because relationship between employee and company can improve the employee performance and loyalty, so that's effect to the reputation of the company. The employee relation that our group discuss here are relationship that are influenced by internal communication between employees or management, which is a program of activity that have been carried by employee and result in increased work motivation. Second point is, why does this case, according to our group, need to be studied? Because as the time develop, many new or growing company that require the rules employee relation to bridge relationship between employee and company, this improving the company's performance, rising from employee performance and loyalty. Okay, in this third slide, there is 2 points. First point is, what are the factors behind the discussion of the case? Because the competition between transportation service provider is no longer limit to how to get and maintain the customer as the external company and get a large profit, but can also maintain employee as internal parties of the company, because the satisfaction factor is closely related to customer loyalty. Why is employee relation strategy so important to discuss? Because it will be help employee performance and loyalty in their company, but both in office environment, employee who are at station, ranging from parker officer to train crew, employee as the spearhead of the company that has an important role for the progress of the company. Thank you. That's my presentation. Next slide will be explained by my friend Mulyani Pratiwi.
Problem statement. According to Kenkate, the collision of the TIs-29 and TIs-20 LRT Jabodetabek Test Train 3 series that occurred on October 25, 2021, became the most prominent event throughout 2021, pinning in the field showed that TIs-29 technical experience distraction due to cell phone, also they did not focus running the train. Looking at the speed in the position of the train is due human error. From the above case, we can relate to one of the theory about motivation related to employer, namely as experienced the Maslow impact, and Hollis, namely the theory of motivation. Okay, motivation theory. From Abraham Maslow, the motivation refers to the needs of employers is the driving force of point 1, self-actualization. The peak of the human need is the need for self-actualization. 2 awards, the need for this award is the fulfillment of the ego to achieve prestige. Point 3, a sense of belonging. The next needs are social needs and compensation. Their needs include the equipment of the science of being need by owner. Point 4, safety and security. After the physiological needs are met, there comes to the next level of need. The need for a sense of security second level. 5, physiological, the basic human need. Need for food, drink, sleep, sex, and the songs. Next, Why do we do this employer relation? Because the company wants its employees to provide the best service to passengers. The prefer the needs to be support from the company, namely empowering employee performance, human resource, quality and professional workforce in the fields employer in a company have been well employed is the mean that employees work according to their respective fields, providing great net facility and welfare of course. Indirectly, employees will provide the best service for passenger certification. Thank you. Okay, next slide will be explained my friend Debbie.
As you can see in the picture, company leaders are on a work visit to strengthen relationship with employees at the station. This is because performance is also related to work motivation. Work motivation is very necessary for company to improve employee performance. Cause motivation is basic condition that encourages employees to do something positive and profitable for the company that can ultimately improve company performance. The theory that our select group intend as an evaluation for materials whether aspect to improve employee performance were made by PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero. Okay, next slide. In this slide, as you can see, two pictures. As a program to continue the training to improve the capabilities employee in the PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero and rewarding employees to increase performance and loyalty. Why this company to making this program? Why employee relations strategy implement this program and the improving employee performance and employee loyalty in the program such as CAS. Our group's opinions is based on the theory, the company-based motivation, namely PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero pays more attention to perform more details as to the minimize to the by human error. This can be overcome by doing programs such as employee training activity, employee relations to more be qualified in doing their duties, as well as rewarding or signing employees to increase loyalty in the company. Okay, the next slide by my friend Andi Putri Cynthia.
Conceptual framework. Conceptual framework begins with the existence of a public relationship program in the company to employer relation in which there are examples of cases in a PT KAI Indonesia. One of the cases experienced by the PT KAI Indonesia was caused by human error. This is a reason for our group to look at this case. To overcome the case, as a public relation, there is a need for a strategy regarding employee relations as a plan to find the solution to the problem faced by PT KAI Indonesia. From this problem, our group used the theory of Maslow in Pace and Fowles, namely the theory of motivation, as a driving force for behavior to improve performance. That there are aspects, namely 1, self-actualization, 2, awards, 3, love or belonging, 4, safety, and the last, physiological. From the theory motivation that we use, it relates to how strategies to improve employee performance and loyalty. This can be overcome by doing programs such as employee training activities to improve employee performance to be more qualified in doing their duties, as well as rewarding outstanding employees to increase loyalty to the company. Next slide, please. Conclusion. PT Kereta Api Indonesia, which is a state-owned enterprise engaged in land transportation service, is required to provide the optimal service possible to the community of railway service users in order to feel satisfied with by making various efforts to improve the quality of service for train service users through various strategies, because the satisfaction factor is closely related to customer loyalty. Next. And this is our reference. Thank you.
Hello everyone, we are already in the last session of presentation. I would like to apologize if there is mistake during the presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.